Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be pursuing the MCQs of jurisprudence. This is the third video of the series. If you want to watch other videos also, please find the link in the description section and also subscribe to us. Now let's get started from question number 51. Jurisprudence is a scientific synthesis of the essential principles of law said by Holland, Pound, C.K. Allen, Eyring. Here, correct answer is option C, that is C.K. Allen. Question number 52. Who among the following said that jurisprudence is the philosophy of positive law? Option A, Gray, option B, Holland, option C, Hart, and option D, Austin. Here, correct answer is option D, that is Austin. Question number 53. Who said that jurisprudence is the eye of law? Option A, Mine, option B, Savigny, option C, Pound, option D, Lasky. Here, in question number 53, correct answer is option D, that is Lasky. Question number 54. Who amongst the following said that jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law? Option A, Holland, option B, Salmon, option C, Austin, and option D, Bentham. Here in question number 54, correct answer is option A, that is Holland. Holland has said that jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. Question number 55. Jurisprudence is the philosophical aspect of the knowledge of law has been said by option A, Salmon, option B, Dies, option C, Cicero, and option D, Peyton. Here correct answer is option C, that is Cicero. Question number 56. Who among the following looks at the jurisprudence as a system of rules? Option A, Austin, option B, Hart, option C, Salmon, and option D, Holland. Here correct answer is option B, that is Hart. Question number 57. Jurisprudence is the knowledge of things human and divine, the science of just and unjust, has been said by option A, Keaton, option B, Ulpian, option C, Julius Stone, and option D, Austin. Here correct answer is option B, that is Ulpian. Question number 58. Law is uncertain and certainty of law is a legal myth. This is the statement of option A, Jerome Frank, option B, Holmes, option C, Gray, and option D, Lillivinen. Here correct answer is option A, that is Jerome Frank. Question number 59. Who says that all positive law is attempt at just law and justice is a harmony of wills or purposes within the framework of social life? The harmony of will or purposes vary according to time and place. Here correct answer is option A, that is Stamler. Question number 60. Natural law is based on the nature of man and on his inward need of living in society. Who said it? Option A, Hugo Grotius, option B, Hobbes, option C, Locke, option D, Rousseau. Here in question number 60, correct answer is option A, that is Hugo Grotius. Question number 61. Who amongst the following said the statement that positivism is a trilogy of command, sanction, and sovereignty? Correct answer is option A, that is Allen. Question number 62. According to whom the matter of jurisprudence is a positive law, law simply and strictly so called, or law set by political superior to political inferiors? Option A, Allen, option B, Austin, option C, Buckler, option D, Bentham. Here correct answer is option B, that is Austin. Question number 63. Law consists of set of principles or body of rules recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. This statement is made by option A, Austin, option B, Salmon, option C, Holland, and option D, Gray. Here correct answer is option B, that is Salmon. Question number 64. Who among the following said that a right with me is a child of law, a natural right is a son that never had a father? Option A, Jeremy Valdon, Jeremy Bentham, option C, Salmon, and option D, Peyton. Here in question number 64, correct answer is option B, that is Jeremy Bentham. Question number 65. Some shared morality is essential to the existence of any society is the observation of option A, Jeremy Bentham, option B, Austin, option C, Fuller, and option D, Hart. Here in question number 65, correct answer is option D, that is Hart. Question number 66. Norm is the meaning of an act by which certain behavior is commanded, permitted, or authorized. Who among the following gave the above definition of the norm? Option A, Austin, option B, Bentham, option C, Kelsen, and option D, Holland. Here in question number 66, correct answer is option C, that is Kelsen. Kelsen gave the definitions of the norm. Question number 67. Who said that law is nothing but spirit of the people? Option A, Savigny, option B, Pound, option C, Salmon, and option D, Austin. In question number 67, correct answer is option A, that is Savigny. Savigny said that law is nothing but the spirit of the people. Question number 68. Law is not universal in nature like language. It varies with people and ages. This proposition follows from the theory of social utilitarianism, Fox gist, social solidarity, social engineering. Here in question number 68, correct answer is option B, that is Fox gist. Do not confused with this letter V. As you are aware of the German car brand, that is Volkswagen, that started from V also. It is a German word, so we will pronounce it as Fox gist. Question number 69. It is the duty of law to make valuation of interest. Who said it? Option A, Puchta, option B, Auguste Comte, option C, Eugen Hilrich, and option D, Roscoe Pound. Here in this question, correct answer is option D, that is Roscoe Pound. Question number 70. Aim of law is to balance the competing interests in the society. Who said it? Hilrich, Gehrig, Pound, Spencer. In question number 70, correct answer is option C, that is Pound. Pound said that aim of the law is to balance the competing interests in the society. Question number 71. Who amongst the following said that law is a means of securing the satisfaction of maximum of wants with minimum of frictions? Option A, Pound, option B, Holmes, option C, Cardozo, option D, Friedman. Here in question number 71, correct answer is option A, that is Pound. Question number 72. The idea of social function crowds out the concept of subjective right. Whose view is this? Option A, Kelsen, option B, Salmon, option C, Duguid, and option D, Pound. In question number 72, correct answer is option C, that is Duguid. Question number 73. Law is a reason free from all passions. Who said it? Option A, Plato, option B, Aristotle, option C, St. Thomas Aquinas, and option D, Socrates. Here in question number 73, correct answer is option B, that is Aristotle. Aristotle said that law is reason free from all passions. Question number 75. Who said that law is not to be deduced from the rule but the rule from the law? Option A, Paulus, option B, Gray, option C, Ulpian, and option D, Salmon. In question number 74, correct answer is option A, that is Paulus. Question number 75. Which one of the following jurists emphasized that we cannot understand a thing unless we know what it does? Here in question number 75, options are Roscoe Pound, option B, Salmon, option C, Austin, and option D, Kelsen. Here correct answer will be option A, that is Roscoe. To watch more videos related to MCQs of jurisprudence, please like, share, and subscribe, and also follow the entire playlist series of this jurisprudence MCQ. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.